welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And if you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things glamour, beauty, and fashion, and a little bit of home decor starting today. All right, so if you like that, go ahead and subscribe. Let's start this thing off right. Go ahead and subscribe, do your thing, girl. All right, guys, so we're in a different area of the house. This is actually a portion of my living room, and I decided to do the video out here since it's going to be home decor related. I have things that I've gotten from Amazon and also Wayfair, so that's what we're going to get into. I'm just getting my little home decor, home section of the channel, you know, together, trying to get the feet wet a little bit, see how people like it, because I have gotten a lot of requests for home decor, or at least enough requests for home decor. So I just want to give the people what they want. Duh. All right, so the first item that we're going to talk about is this guy here. It's called the Canvas Closet Storage. So this is going to help me get a little extra storage in my closet. In my closet, I have, how do I describe it? You know, I have the shelves, like the regular old school shelves, and there's two. So there is a shelf up here on one side of the wall, and then there's a shelf at the bottom. And at the bottom, I normally put my jeans, pants, bottoms, pretty much. And I get so aggravated. I don't know if you have this issue, but I get so aggravated looking for something to wear on that bottom shelf because I don't really like going through it. It's dark, everything is really tightly crammed, and the closet is already small. So it was really frustrating. Sometimes I just forgot about things that I had down there and I just let them be, girl. I just let them be. And I was forgetting about what I actually have. So I thought this would be a really good idea. Again, this is what it looks like here on the paper. I brought two of those shelves so that way I can fold my jeans and fold my bottoms and put them in the cube. Each cube can probably hold about 4 pair of jeans. So let's see what this thing looks like when we expand it out. So here's what she looks like. These cubbies are pretty deep, actually. I could probably fit more than 4 pair of jeans on this. And there's 6 shelves. All right, it has this bit of like a harder plastic here, so it can be more sturdy to hold the weight of the jeans. I mean, on the reviews that I watch, people have these things crammed with clothes, crammed, jam-packed. I'm not gonna cram mine to, you know, maximum capacity because I do want it to look neat in the closet. But the fact that it can actually hold the weight is great as well. But it's this harder plastic here, and this part is made of canvas. So it's like an ivory or off-white color. But I think this will look really good in the closet. I'm gonna have 2 of them side by side for all of my bottoms. So that bottom shelf is not gonna have, I'm gonna try not to put anything on it, but we'll see. But I'll have more space by having this. Really like this. It has these 2 hangy things here, that way it can hang comfortably on the rack and be secure. So I actually like this. It was about, I think it was $16 for each. Not positive, but I will put everything in the description, so you don't even have to worry because it'll be right there in the description for you. But I really like it. Really like it. Here's it from the side, and this is the back of it. Hold on. This is the back of it. All right, so I actually really like this. This is a really great buy. Really great. Folded it back down, and this is how it sits when everything is, you know, folded down. So in case you are like, you know what, I want to put this away for now. It's not that big or bulky or anything like that. You can slide this right under your bed or slide it somewhere where nobody can see it. It's fine, but I like it so far. I'll update you guys on how it works out in the actual closet. Now, speaking of organizing your closet, getting your closet space together, I did have to pick up a box of these. These are velvet hangers, so it has that soft kind of velvet touch to it, so it's really great for non-slipping or like a no-slip grip to your clothes. And I got the color ivory because I want everything to match and kind of go together and be cohesive. So I decided I'm going to change out my hangers and get everything the same exact color. And I got this ivory. I got them in a box of 100, and that was $40. $40, something like that. Again, everything will be in the description, so you can just click it down below. These are really cute hangers. I think it's going to make the closet look so much more like, you know, chic, very uniform. Uniform makes you feel better. It just, I don't know. I just want to get my life together, okay? I'm just trying to get my life together. And these hangers are going to help me do that. It's going to organize my life. The hangers are really slim, so it's definitely going to save space. As you can see how thin they are. They lay really flat. So I really like that. And they're by Amazon Basics. They had a ton of colors. They had white, black, gray, pink. I wanted the white, but that wasn't in stock. And I was like, whatever, ivory will do. Who cares? Who cares, girl? I don't. But that's this, and it's by Amazon Basics again. Organize your life. Make sure your hangers match, okay? Because looking at these, the hangers that's in my closet now is a whole mess. Like, I can't believe I've been living like this. Like, I really don't believe I've lived like this. All right, guys, so the next item is a bedroom decor item. My sister gifted me an Amazon gift card for my birthday that I put to you, sis. I put it to you, sister. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I spent that money, and I spent that money well, okay? I got this gorgeous lamp. That was actually in a set of 2. It was a set of 2, and it was $137 or $27. And look how pretty this is. A gorgeous lamp. It's by, I think it's called Surveya, but I'll have everything linked below because I don't think I'm pronouncing it right. But it came in a set of 2. I don't know if you guys can kind of see what's going on as far as decor goes in our house. I mean, everything is pretty neutral, but we do have pops of blue, and we use metals also as like accent pieces. So like there's a little bit of chrome, there's a little bit of gold. So in our room there's a lot of gray and chrome, so we wanted to do like a little pop of gold, and it looks so gorgeous in the room on the nightstands. And there's a set of 2, so there's one on my side and one on my husband's side, and I absolutely love this. So pretty. I think it was priced really well because this looks glamorous. Like this gives me Z Gallerie vibes, but not Z Gallerie price. No. Not Z Gallerie price, boo. No. Amazon. What else can I say? Amazon. All right, so as far as like the nightstands where those lamps are, that part is I'm not done decorating it. I want to really get some clear vases and white roses in those vases to sit on the nightstand next to the lamp, and also have this particular candle. We have these candles on each of our nightstands. This is actually not from Amazon. I got this from Walgreens, sis. You see how pretty this jar that it's in, or this glass candle holder? There's a candle here. This was for 2 for $16 at Walgreens one day. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to get this and throw this right on my nightstand. I actually have one that's similar to this on that table back here. I got that candle from, it was Target. And it was, one of them were like $18, okay? This was 2 for $16, very same thing. I was completely ripped off when I went to Target. Let's call it what it is. Call a spade a spade. I was ripped off and dumb by buying that. When Walgreens got them 2 for $16, the same exact thing. The same chrome and broken glass. Look how gorgeous this is. Absolutely love it. As soon as I get the vase and the flowers, I'll show you guys how we put it together. If you want to see that, you're gonna have to request the home decor because I'm not sure, you know, I don't know. We'll see where it goes on my channel. If you like it, you know, make sure you thumbs up, talk to me in the comments so I kind of know, because I definitely want to give you the type of videos that you like or that you're interested in seeing, because it only makes sense if I expect you to watch my channel, right? Right. So some other home decor items that I recently got from Amazon, and I actually started using these. You've probably noticed them in my other videos. In my room, there's a love seat. In my room, it sits right behind me on my other videos, and it's blue, just like those accent chairs over there. And I have these 2 pillows that I got from Amazon, and they came in a set, and the set was, they didn't come in a set. I'm lying. They did not come in a set. These are 18 by 18, and these are, I think, $16 for each. Alrighty, and these are them. Let me come in a little closer here. This is more of a shaggy fur sort of pillow, and this one doesn't shed as much. I have some that are like faux fur. I'll bring that and show you guys so I can just compare. Just give me a second. This is the one that I just picked up. This is more of like a softer fur. This one sheds quite a bit. This is a Target feather-filled pillow compared to this one that I got from Amazon. It's more of like a shaggy sort of material. So this one doesn't shed, which is great. and it's not filled with feathers. It's whatever they normally stuff it with. And the back is just this soft suede. It's really, really packed. Like, this is a fluffy pillow. Alrighty, and this sits on the love seat in my bedroom. Alrighty, and it's layered. I have some pillows that I got from Z Gallery that I layered this with. The Z Gallery pillow, I can't link that because it was something that was like clearance, final sale. One day we were there buying curtains, and we saw them and they were really cheap for Z Gallery. So I was like, let me buy it because, you know, Z Gallery be kind of expensive. You guys need to go ahead and reevaluate your prices if you're watching. Alright guys, so I just wheeled out the last item. This is actually not from Amazon. This is a Wayfair purchase. Recently my husband went ahead and purchased this computer chair. It actually came in a set of 2, guys. 2 chairs. It was $230. I'm definitely going to go ahead and link it. This chair is so damn gorgeous. I'm so afraid of it getting dirty though because it's super wide, as you can see. See my little shadow here? Hey guys. But I really like this chair and I thought I would show you guys since we just got it. Since I am working from home now, the chair that I was kind of working with, it was supposed to be temporary because we didn't know what the situation was going to be like. But my husband was like, yeah, you're probably going to be here for a really long time working from home with this whole situation. So let's get a better chair. And thankfully they came in a set of 2 because me and my son work next to each other, okay? He's with me all day doing his school stuff and I'm doing my work stuff. And we sit at the desk together because it's a pretty long white desk. So this goes really great with it. This is such a super sleek chair. Like, look. I'm trying to show you. How about these sleeves, girl? Check out these gloves. I really like this chair, but what do you guys think? So I just rolled it out here. I'm going to roll it back in the room now. All right, guys. So I don't have any more items to show you. I hope you enjoyed this home decor video. Definitely talk to me in the comments. Let me know. I love comments. I love feedback. If you have been following this page for a while or this channel for a while, you know I comment back as quickly as possible, having full-on conversations because I love the people. I love anyone that takes the time to spend time with me. So you watching this video I am very grateful for that. So if you have any feedback, any requests, let me know because I'm here, friend. Like, let's talk. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So if you want more videos like this, you definitely have to thumbs up to let me know. Or you can simply talk to me in the comments and subscribe. Let me know you like what you saw and you decided to come back. And bring your friend, your friend's friends, your friend's cousin, your friend, cousin, baby, daddy, girl. Bring all of them and subscribe. Okay? Bye, guys.